Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting with the daily chart. On the daily chart, we are looking, of course, for a very nice signal, of course, after having a very possible running flat. I will not explain what happened every time I explain it. Of course, if you are new to the channel, you can go and to the playlist of FET and you will find how this has turned into running flat. So let's move on. After a running flat, we are looking, of course, for a 5 waves toward the upside, and this is exactly what you would like to see after a running flat, where you are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing a wave 1, of course, and then a B, and a C for your wave 2. Now we are moving very high, of course, for a wave 3, possibly in your bullish scenario. Of course, if you are still bullish, definitely we are in this very bull market, bull run now. So we want to see, of course, for higher than those fib levels, because if you finish here as a zigzag and you finish around these fib levels, all right, it means below the $2.8, where you are looking here at a wave, of course, at a wave 2, possibly. So below these fib levels, okay, you might still face a bearish scenario. Because if you hit, of course, a 1-to-1 fib level, which is taken exactly here from the top of this 5 waves and the bottom of this wave 2 or B, and you finish exactly at 1-to-1 and you reverse, that is a signal of a bearish scenario, guys. Because you have finished as 3 waves and then you have reversed. By reaching, of course, the 1 here, the 1-to-1, right, so the 1 zone, invalidation of the impulse. Therefore, you cannot seek for a wave 5 unless if you are moving in a contracting diagonal, where your wave 5 might reach a little bit higher than your wave 3, maybe, possibly not. It can even be lower and still considered as contracting diagonal. However, it is much more healthier to see the beautiful shape of a contracting diagonal, of course. If that ends up like this, therefore, of course, this is 100% bullish scenario. 100% bullish scenario, because a bullish scenario is the only pattern that is start, of course, with a contracting diagonal. Now, if we move lower than this, impulsively, 5 waves, that is a bad signal, okay? That is a very, very bad signal. And that would be a bearish, of course, and yeah, continuation towards the downside after having here 5 waves down, 3 waves up as a zigzag, and then continue the trend, okay? Now, moving impulsively above 0.78, breaking this level towards the upside, it is a confirmation that you're moving higher and higher to your wave 3 here as an impulse towards the $4.77. And after that, of course, you want to seek for a 4 and a 5 and continuation towards the upside, of course, somehow around, $10 maybe. So if we move to the 1-hour chart, let's take a look. On the 1-hour chart, we are looking at, definitely wave 1 finished. Very shallow wave 2, right? Very, very shallow wave 2. Wow. Okay. All right. ABC. Okay, let's remove this WXY. ABC for wave 2, very, very shallow. Only 0.23. Well, at least he hit it. I mean, at least FET took the 0.23. Bitcoin did not even smell the 0.23. He just moved up. So wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, contracting, expanding diagonal, that's already seen and analyzed. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Aha. We got a wave 4 interfering in your wave 1, which is not a beautiful sign. Interesting. Invalidation, okay, we cannot say even another expanding diagonal. That's crazy. Wow. Okay, guys, okay. Only scenario if we have a very massive wave 5 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that would be the only explanation as expanding diagonal, which is the most rare scenario. I would give it 2%, yeah, that it might happen and work. Another scenario is that we are still corrective after the wave 1. Could be an A and then B. Oh, WXY was triangle. All right, we got it, guys. It's a WXY with a finished triangle. WXY. Oh my God. Okay, that was tricky one. That was a tricky one because your diagonal, I mean, your X is very high. Yeah, it's very high. Normally it's not. It's very rare as well. However, it's very obvious. 3 ways down, 3 ways up. A, B, C, D, and E. Finished wave Y, and then continuation towards the upside. Yep, so still on the trend, still very bullish, guys. No worries. We're looking for 3, 4, and 5. This is your wave 2. Even your wave 2 finished high. Okay, so it's, yeah, I would say, yeah, okay. It has touched it with the W, but it's insane. Okay, guys, so this is what I would like to say. It's very rare to see such things like this. Okay, it's only in crypto market. So yeah, we have finished here, and then we are gonna move upside. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.